We're getting to the final part of the day, and there's been a lot said already about how do we continue. So Kim and I want to keep it really, really brief to, in 2 slides, tell you that we are continuing. We also see that there's a need to continue. There are some question marks still around how much can we do, where we currently stand. But what we are at least doing for the next year is that we're going to build a Trials at Home interest network. And really what we want to do there is continue what we've started in exchanging that understanding, exchanging best practices of DCT approaches, maintaining the collaboration and the discussion with the other stakeholders in the field, maintaining the identification of knowledge gaps, training requirements, and also, of course, there's quite a lot we still want to communicate it on that we're finalizing, so we also want to make sure that that's still communicated to the rest of the fields.
And we also could have updated this slide during these sessions because it seems like there's really still a lot of scope to be covered. These are some initial thoughts about areas that we could focus. Certainly education, having some webinars and other educational vehicles to keep the conversation going. We are planning to have a series of network meetings. We're thinking initially maybe 3 times a year to start, where we can just have a forum where we're sharing best practices and sharing ideas, maybe continuing to surface gaps as we see them, and then trying to see how we can link with ACT-EU and get insights for that activity, and then think about maybe some future opportunities. Maybe we could think about how to go after some funding. Maybe we could initiate our own research projects. I think some of those things will have to come as we start to reconvene and think about how much interest there is in continuing this.
And that's why we really want to hear from Nicholas, from IHI, on their vision for future clinical research, because we definitely want to tap into that where possible. We have one slide first, so if you're interested in being updated on the Trials at Home network, then you can scan the code. You also get the slides afterwards, and we'll keep you updated. That will probably be early next year. We're really wrapping up for these last 2 months